Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I can proudly announce to you guys my first website that I've created, kind of not like my own website. It is called Meme Talk, and I know the name is not that great, but this is a place where you can post meme images and you can pretty much read memes of other people. So let me actually give you a demo of it. So I built this app as entirely built with React and Firebase, and you can see I have my entire kind of overview, and I can show you some of the things. Now don't look at the name. I had actually used this. I had kind of copied the different API keys and stuff like that. So you can see everything is getting stored in a database. So even if this is actually deployed, and I will actually leave a link to this in the description below so you guys can post memes of your own. So you can see that even though I am reloading the page, I can still get this. Now let me show you how this works. So I'm just gonna search for meme images, and you'll see what happens. So let's just get some random meme image. So let's see here, and okay, actually, you know what? Let's just use this one. So I'm just gonna click over here, click on this meme image, and you can so let me show you. So I can double click on it, and I can obviously copy the image address. So then I can pretty much head up to my React app, and I can, as soon as I paste it, and you can see I have this entire long meme address, and I can post the meme, and you can see there it is. So this is the pretty much the thing. And the cool thing is, let me reload the page, and what do you look at that, we still have it. And if you go up to my Firebase document like thing, you will see each of these have this meme URL. So in this collection memes, we have these meme URLs. Now this app is still in production. I have deployed it, but I still am going to be adding some more functionality to this app. I'm going to be making this a complete app so you guys can play around with this. I am going to be adding authentication and things like that, so you surely still want to be tuned in. This currently, like, now all of the changes to this app will not be like some really major changes or some really drastic changes, but this is kind of the app. Now let me actually show you, and let me just walk you through like the code that I used to actually make this app, because I know a lot of people will be interested in like how did I write this. So I'm just going to go up and head over here, and I'm gonna open up code, open it up in Visual Studio Code, so the code editor. Now all of this is made with React. If you want, then I can make a tutorial on this also. It's not that advanced React, it's pretty basic React. So that's something really awesome and cool. Now let me actually show you. So um, I'm so this is the app.js file. So this is the complete file where I've like placed like almost everything. So pretty much I've used Material UI for all of the UI of the app. I did not use CSS because I'm horrible at it and all of that. Then I have used database, like using Firebase. So as you can see over here, I have all of my API keys. Now I don't want you all to be copying my API keys, because it can really screw up my app, and also it can screw up your apps, because all of my data can go to your app and it can just be really bad, and it won't be the best for us. And obviously I can also understand if somebody uses my API key, I can get it from my analytics that my app has been spiking over the days, but there will be more users, so I can obviously get it through my app also. So please don't do that, because it will not be good for you and me, and I will have to probably undeploy the app and it will harm all of us. So please don't do that, but whatever. So over here I have pretty much used React, and I have just used some basic React. I have gone with like, I have used hooks, but because like nobody now uses any class-based components, everybody is using functional components these days, so that's why. And this is just our basic main function, and I have like these states. I just have two states. Like as you can see, it is a very basic app. Now you can see it has this one folder called Firebase and build. Now your app, when you set up React, you won't have these folders. These folders are only and only used when you actually deploy this app. Now I haven't really gone over the steps of deploying any app, but if you want, then I can do that. And then what else do I have? So I have this app.js file, which is the main thing. Now I have some use effects over here. So this use effect basically pulls all of the meme images from the database and sends them to the home page. So it is pretty cool. Now let me actually show you something cool. So I am currently on my iPad, and let's see if I can go up to this website and see what happens. So I think this won't work. I'm going to try it out. Let's see. Learning help. Let's see if it works. So I'm in Safari right now, and wow, it actually works. This is so good. So it currently is working. Now I'm just gonna put in some really like false meme URL, just something, and I'm gonna post it. And look at that, I have done it, and it came over here. And you can see all of this is happening without any refreshing. This is a super fast app. Now, here's the thing: if somebody really spams my app in such a like a bad way, all I can do is I can literally just go away and just delete like this collection. So let me show you. I'm going to delete the collection of the memes, and I'm just going to delete the collection, and let me show you what happens. Now if I just head up to my React app, and you can see it's completely and utterly blank. Now I can just go over here, and I can just do my copy image address, and I can head up to my React app, and I can simply paste that address and post it here, and literally instantaneously, almost instantaneously, it appears on my iPad. And that is the power of React, which that's the power of React. So you can see without writing any socket.io and all of that really complex code, I am able to create such a good app. Like if you actually do this in like classical vanilla JavaScript, it's gonna take you hundreds and hundreds of lines of code to actually make an app like this. And you can see this is such a basic app. Like you can obviously improve this app in 100 ways. So like you can see over here, we are pretty much sending a meme post by adding the thing to the input. Now you can see even in my Firebase it's getting added. So over here, let me just reload the page, so you will see that in the database we will have the meme URL. So over here memes, we get the collection and we get the URL. So that's pretty awesome. And this is pretty much the sending part where I pretty much map it up and get it. And you can see I have literally just written such less code. This is just a Firebase analytics file. So you could see just with writing some code, I was able to create an actual app, like something that I could actually deploy. Yes, it has a lot of like problems in it, like still like it's not completely flawless. I will try and make it like that, but it takes some time to actually make a full scale app. But I had been working on this for like some time since I started with React, and like I just started with this own project of mine, and you can see I actually managed to do it. So through this video I'm also trying to tell you that hey, even you can do such a project. And if you want to see a tutorial on a project like this, comment down below and I will surely make a video on how to create this exact same app in this. So like if I just get this, and I can just do this, and I can just copy image address, and currently I won't lie to you, it is pretty fast. So I'm gonna post the meme and it's on my iPad again. So you can see, and also the other cool thing is that like you can see the meme that comes and the other meme is above it. So that's also a pretty cool thing. So now we have this. So you can see it's like really cool. Now over here you can like call your friends, tell them to post some memes, and you all can like have a fun time. And I see that a lot of people use Reddit for memes. I wanted to do this. Now if you want, I can like make a small segment where you all post some memes and I look at it. I don't know. So this was just a demo, like kind of like a video where I show like what I made. Like I have made a video like this where I made doodle jump. So this was the entire app. Code is also pretty good. It's not like it's not like spaghetti. So like I have used like the props and hooks. A lot of people also like to use Firebase hooks. They are another really cool thing, but I don't really want to use them right now, so that's why. So that is it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this. It has taken a good amount of time of programming to make this project, and I really hope that you all liked this because it's really awesome to have your website on the internet. Now if you are wondering about how much I paid for this domain and all of that, it was absolutely free. I do not have to pay even like anything. I don't have to pay anything. It's completely free, and that's the beauty of Firebase. Like If I would have want to host it on sites like Namecheap, or I would have want to even host it on like Heroku, I would have to pay a fee. And like if I would like be using more than 5 apps on Heroku, or if I would be using something like Netlify, I would be having to pay a fee. And that's something that I don't want to do, because this app is still a beta. Like once I actually finish this app, yes, I surely don't want it to be having such a domain. But right now I am having a HTTPS domain for free. Like people actually pay and still get an HTTP domain, and over here I'm getting an HTTPS domain for free. Yes, I'm not having the best extension as like .web.app, but you can work with that when you are having like free hosting. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. You obviously cannot get .com for free or .net for free. If you want to do that, you will have to pay like about, I looked it up, and on Netlify it is $13.99 on, and for .net it's like $10. The prices may vary depending on which domain you use. Like if you use some like less used domain, and you cannot use any domain like a .org or something, because you will have to specify the organizations and all of that stuff. So that's all. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. It has been really cool to make this app, and I will have a link to this app in the description. I probably will have cleared all of these memes, because I want the app to be completely clean when you guys see it. So let me actually show you something. So I'm gonna take my React app and I'm going to open it up in this second window kind of thing, and I'm simply going to go and dock it to the left side of the screen. I'll show you over here, and I'm going to take this thing, and I am going to, just a second. Okay, why am I not getting the option to dock it? And I'm going to move it to the right side, and I have this one. Okay, so look at this. So I'm over here, and let's see. Okay, so over here, let me show you something. I'm going to click on delete collection of memes. Click on delete, and you can see instantaneously everything was deleted. Now this is the power of React. Yes, it is slow in some areas, but in such small scale apps, React is just super cool. So I really hope that you liked this. Like you can see how cool it is. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in another YouTube video.